Welcome to SoCal English, a pronunciation guide for speaking English like a Southern Californian. Page 1, the pronunciation guide. This is the symbol for the short sound of a vowel. This is the symbol for the long sound of a vowel. Any letter with a line through it is silent. Listen and repeat. A, apple. A, lake. A, all. Any. This is a silent A. O, quart. Asleep. Afterward. Silent B. Silent C. Cash. Chef. Citizen. Church. Asked. Egg. Each. The. Ever. Silent E. You. Pew. This is a G with a G sound. Go. Silent G. This is a G with a J sound. Giant. GH can sound like F. Enough. NG can sound like ng. Ang. Ing. Ing. Ong. Ung. Sing. Sang. Sung. Silent H. It. Idea. Eight. Silent I. Bird. Job. Silent K. Silent L. O. Goat. Opera. Who. Person. Pastor. Silent O. One. Phone. Silent P. Quit. S as Z. As. Sure. Silent T. TH with your tongue on your teeth. That. TH with your tongue on your teeth with air but no sound. Three. Us. Ooh. You. Silent U. U that sounds like W. Loud. Earn. You. cute. Ooh, brew. Silent W. I, apply. E, say. Silent Y. Y, yes. I, bicycle. X that sounds like Z, xylophone. X that sounds like GZ, gz, eggs. Example. X that sounds like KS, X, expect. Sometimes EIGH is pronounced AE, wait, neighbor. And sometimes it is pronounced as an I, height. SION can be pronounced shun, mission, and sometimes jeune, television, vision. TION is pronounced shun, vacation. TIOUS, pronounced shus, cautious. TURE can be pronounced chur, furniture.